The Polaris RZR belt is a crucial component responsible for transferring power from the engine to the drivetrain. However, several common issues can arise with the belt system. One such problem is the Polaris RZR belt slipping, which can occur during acceleration, resulting in a loss of power and decreased performance. Another concern is the squealing noise that may emanate from the belt, indicating inadequate tension or alignment. Additionally, some owners may experience difficulties with the belt engaging or disengaging properly, leading to operational challenges. Excessive belt wear is another issue that can occur, reducing the belt's lifespan and necessitating replacement. Polaris RZR owners may also encounter problems with belt alignment, tension or performance, and the belt being too tight or loose, which can affect overall drivability. Belt jumping or skipping is another concern, causing interruptions in power delivery. While addressing these issues, it is essential to consider the Polaris RZR belt replacement cost, ensuring an optimal balance between performance and budgetary considerations. By addressing these concerns and implementing regular maintenance, Polaris RZR owners can optimize the belt's performance and enjoy a smooth and reliable off-road experience. But fret not, as we've got you covered. We have scoured through countless Polaris RZR belt customer reviews to bring you the ultimate guide. In this video, we will explore the top 5 RZR belts based on real customer experiences and feedback. Whether you're seeking durability, optimal power transfer, or enhanced performance, we have curated a list of belts that have impressed users across the board. So, let's dive into the world of customer-approved RZR belts and find the perfect one to elevate your off-road adventures. Number 5. EVO Belt. Introducing the EVO Belt, the pinnacle of belt technology and proven performance. This belt is built to withstand the power of the 400 horsepower machines, making it the highest shock load rating belt to date. The EVO Belt features the latest bottom cog design, ensuring greater rotational efficiency at full shift. But what sets it apart from the rest is the aramid fiber cord that wraps over the bottom cogs, providing unmatched strength. The EVO Belt is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including the RZR XP 1000, RZR XP 900, RZR S 1000, General Ace 900, Ranger XP 900, and early model Ranger XP 1000. Upgrade your off-road experience with the EVO Belt. Number 4. Trinity Racing Belt. The ultimate choice for riders and racers seeking unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology. This third-generation belt features a heavy-duty, high-twist aramid fiber cord, specifically designed to handle the demands of high horsepower and extreme tensile loads. It's the strongest belt on the market, surpassing even our renowned X and Sandstorm lines. The Trinity Racing Belt boasts the highest shock load rating to date, capable of withstanding the power of 400 horsepower machines. The Trinity Racing Belt's bottom cog utilizes a high modulus rubber compound, BZX1, for superior heat resistance and dissipation. Short aramid fibers are impregnated into the bottom cog, enhancing belt-to-sheave adhesion and reducing overall belt temperature. The Trinity Racing Belt is the epitome of performance and reliability. Whether you're a rider seeking the thrill of the trail or a racer hungry for victory, this belt will exceed your expectations. Number 3. Polaris Drive Belt. Engineered for optimal performance and durability. Are you ready to take your off-road adventures to the next level? Introducing the Polaris Drive Belt, packed with incredible features to enhance your off-road experience. Designed and tested by Polaris, this OEM part has undergone extensive field testing, covering over 20,000 miles, and a rigorous 18+ months of development. It's proven to run cooler and maintain optimal RPMs, ensuring maximum vehicle performance and durability. No terrain is too tough for the Polaris Drive Belt. It's built to withstand all terrains, from mud and dirt to rugged trails, sand, and even rocky landscapes. It boasts an extended suggested replacement period of every 8 months, 90 hours, or 1,800 miles, allowing you to spend more time on the trails and less time on maintenance. The Polaris Drive Belt, engineered to conquer any terrain and deliver unrivaled performance. Upgrade your off-road adventures today. Number 2. SuperATV Belt. Take your UTV to the extreme. Introducing the SuperATV Belt, the ultimate solution for off-roaders who demand nothing but the best. SuperATV Belt features an ultra-strong aramid fiber cord, capable of handling over 10,000 pounds of tension without stretching or breaking. No matter how intense your ride gets, this belt will keep you going. Unlike OEM and aftermarket drive belts, the SuperATV Belt offers higher strength, ensuring it won't let you down when you push your UTV to its limits. Developed with high-temperature compound called DUMAX, SuperATV Belt delivers added strength, flexibility, and heat resistance. With the SuperATV Belt, you can squeeze it harder, explore more tuning possibilities, and experience less slippage. Built to withstand high temperatures, extreme abuse, and excessive shock loads, the SuperATV Belt is the choice of off-roaders who demand the best. Upgrade to the SuperATV Belt today and experience the power. Number 1. Gates G-Force Belt. The Gates Belt is designed to take your vehicle's performance to the next level. Let's talk about strength. The Gates Belt is the first CVT belt to utilize a carbon tensile cord, combining minimal stretch with extraordinary strength. This unique feature ensures that the belt remains taut, delivering optimal power transmission and resulting in faster acceleration, improved throttle response, and consistent shifting performance. Unparalleled flexibility. Constructed with high-performance neoprene, its trapezoidal top notch and rounded bottom cog design maximize heat control and flexibility. Durability. The carbon tensile cords are bonded with specially formulated adhesion gum to aramid fiber-loaded rubber. The Gates G-Force is engineered to last, with up to 2 times the life expectancy of standard CVT belts, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Improved durability, crack resistance, and wear resistance make the Gates the top choice for your RZR. Selecting the right belt for your Polaris RZR 1000 is crucial for unlocking its full potential. The top 5 belts mentioned before offer exceptional performance, durability, and value for money. Whether you choose product SuperATV, Gates G-Force, Polaris Drive, EVO, or Trinity Racing Belt, you can be confident in the quality and performance of these belts. Upgrade your Polaris RZR 1000 and elevate your off-road adventures with a belt that ensures optimal power transfer, durability, and reliability. Experience the thrill and unleash the power of your Polaris RZR 1000 like never before with the perfect belt for your ride. Check links below in description. If you interested the content I create, and want more, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next